Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be tying a mouse fly, the perfect fly for targeting big aggressive predators such as bass or trout that can't resist a juicy rodent. I'll start off with a wide gap streamer hook in size 4. And I'll secure the weed guard first right at the bend of the hook. The weed guard is made from monofilament, and as you can tell from the name, they prevent your fly from being caught up in weed when fishing in weedy waters. I'm then going to secure the tail of the mouse using a piece of ultra chenille and then leave that hanging for now. The entire body of this fly is made up of deer hair, and I'm going to tie in the body in two parts, which is the belly and the back of the mouse. And to start off, I'm going to cut out a clump of deer hair. I'm going to secure that with 2 loose wraps, then slide the clump of hair to the bottom of the hook and secure with tighter wraps. I'll then grab another clump of deer hair and place it over the already tied in clump and secure with 2 loose wraps, and before I let go of the hair, I'm going to secure with more thread wraps to hold the hair in place. Once that is done, I'm going to grab a sharp pair of scissors and trim off the deer hair on the top side of the hook. For the rest of the body, I'm going to repeat this entire process until the entire hook is covered with deer hair to a point just before the hook eye. As I build on the body of the fly, I'm going to use my fingers to push back the hair. You can do this using a hair packer if you have one, but your fingers will do a great job as well.
By the way, if you're a fly shop owner or distributor and looking to stock up in high quality hand-tied flies like this one, crafted with precision and built to perform, we at Fly Finesse offer wholesale pricing and worldwide shipping. Please check out our catalog or visit our website linked in the description box below.
At a point just short of the hook eye, I'm going to secure the head of the mouse. And to do this, I'm going to grab a larger clump of deer hair and secure that to the hook using 2 loose wraps. Let go of the hair and begin taking tighter wraps. And as you do this, you'll notice your hair begin to spin. Since my previous clump of deer hair wasn't big enough to cover the entire gap, I'll go ahead and add a smaller clump of deer hair and repeat this process all over again. Now that the entire hook shank is covered with deer hair, I'll whip finish and cut out my thread. We are now at the fun part of tying the mouse fly, where I'm going to shape the body of the mouse by shaving off the deer hair. Some fly tyers, if not most, prefer using a blade to shave off deer hair, but I personally prefer using a sharp pair of scissors because that's what I'm used to and that's what I find comfortable. I'll begin by shaving off the belly of the fly, then work my way up to the head. Once I'm done with the shaving part, I'll then secure back my thread to the hook and then secure my weed guard. Next, I'm going to secure the ears of the mouse, and here I have a leather strip which I've used to carve out 2 oval shaped pieces. I'm then going to grab my 2 cutouts, apply some glue to the shorter end of the oval shape, and secure that in between the deer hair to either side of the head to act as the ears of the mouse. Next, I'm going to secure the whiskers of the mouse using some black bucktail fibers. I finally put a pair of eyes on my mouse using 2 round black plastic beads. I'll brush some cement on the deer skin and gently place each eye below each ear. Gently press on each eye for a few seconds for them to bond and hold in place. And I'll do an extra brush on each eye for good measure. And there you have it, guys, a realistic looking mousefly. Please leave a comment below and share your experiences fishing with this fly. Please leave a comment, leave a like, share with your friends, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more fly tying goodness.